Welcome everyone, welcome to Learner's Nest. Today we are going to talk about long vowel sound and short vowel sound. In our first video we have talked about our short vowel sound. Still we will do a revision right now. Okay, and I think you remember which are the vowels: A, E, I, O and U. These five are the vowels, and in our first video we are talking about their short sounds. That was A sounds A, E sounds E, I sounds E, O sounds O and U sounds A. These are the short vowel sounds, and based upon that short vowel sounds, let's look for some words here. Now we will check some short vowel words. Come here. See, this is hat. H, A, T. Here A sounds A. The short vowel sound A. Here it is pen. P, E, N. And E sounds E. Short vowel E sound E. Next, fig. F, E, G and I sounds E. Sun. S, A, N. Sun, and here U sound A. See the word top. T, O, P. Top, and O sounds O, and that is short O sound. These five are A, E, O, A. These are short vowel sounds of A, E, I, O, U. Now we will go and check the long vowel sounds of these vowels. Let's check some other words where the long sound of the vowel comes. See this one: angel, seat, nose, kite, cube, eagle, cake, gain, glue, bought, tie, bee and rain. We can see in all these words there are more than one vowel, and when two vowels come in a word, the first vowel normally sounds its long sound, and when E is followed by one vowel, then that vowel sound becomes long sound. That is magic rule. First we will check the rain sound. Rain, it's R, A, N. In this case, see, B, tie, bought, glue. These three, all these are having two vowels together: A, E, I, O, A, U, E. And there is a rule in this case. That means when two vowels come together, the first one talks and the other one walks. So this will be rain, rain. This will be B, E, B. That it is saying its name. B, E, B. And this one T, I, tie, B, O says its name, and T, bought. Then G, L, U sounds U here, then glue. And in this case, see, it is angel. The first vowel is A and the second vowel that is comes E. See here, seat. That's also the first vowel talks that role. S, E, T, seat. See here, this is N, O, S, E and it sounds nose. K, I, T, E, kite, K, I, T, E, kite. It sounds kite. And C, A, K, E, that is cake. C, U, B, E, that is cube. These cases you can see See, the first consonant, then a vowel, then again consonant, then comes E, the vowel E. Here also we can see consonant, vowel, consonant and vowel, that is C, V, C, E. Here also see consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. See the cake, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. And in these cases, E is the last vowel and this is the silent E rule or the magic E rule. In these cases, what happens? The E, the vowel E that comes in the last, that compels the first vowel to say its name. That means the first vowel should say its name and E keeps quiet, that become silent. So let's see how it comes. That means the first vowel say its name, that means it becomes long and E becomes silent. So let's take N size N, O becomes long, O, S, nose. Here K, U, B, cube. K, I, T, kite. K, A, K, cake. These are the long vowel sounds and these are the two rules. One is first vowel say its name. That means when two vowels go together, the first one talk and the other one walks. And this one, the silent E rule, that means E compels a vowel to say its name and E becomes silent. Now we will say these in a rhyme. Every word that we read or write, we can see a vowel. Sometimes it's a long vowel or a short vowel. So let's sing the song on this. A, E, O, A, E, O, A, E, O, A. The short vowel sounds we use. Vowels are in every word, every word, every word. Vowels are in every word that we read and write. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. The long vowel sounds we learned. Vowels are in every word, every word, every word. Vowels are in every word that we read and write. I hope you understood the long vowel sound and short vowel sounds. And that's enough for today. Bye-bye.